Hello, good morning children. Welcome back to online class. Topic is arithmetic progression. The standard 10 class number 4. In the last class we discussed about the nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP, Tn or An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Children, this is a formula to find any required term. So you have to write this formula into classwork and problems will be given about this. Let us see what are the meanings of this. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What are the variables or terms are there in this? See, where A is the first term. A means what? First term. D is the common difference. Tn or An is the nth term. Here there is see, n is the number of terms. A first term, D common difference, Tn or An is the nth term, n is the number of terms. Let us do some problems about this. See, I have written one example. This is given in your textbook, worked example 3, page number 10. Find the 10th term of an AP, where A, 2, 7 and 12 arithmetic progression is given and we have to find out the 10th term. Children, about this formula, there are 4 type of problems can be given. First is, they will give you A, n, D and they will ask you to find An. An means nth term. That is what given here in the worked example. And next one, An will be given. They will ask you to find out A, n will be given and D will be given. Out of 4, any 3 will be given. They will ask you to find out one term. So here the first one is, find the 10th term of an AP, 2, 7, 2. How to do this problem? Just observe this. See, what is, find out A, n, D from the given sequence. What is A? First term of the sequence. A is equal to 2. This is A1, A2, A3. Find out common difference. They are given as an AP. AP means no need to find out the common difference more than one time. One time is enough. Just A2 minus A1. What is A2? 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Common difference is 5. We got 2 terms. And what about n? Look at the problem. Find the 10th term. 10th term means what? Here how many terms are given? 1, 2, 3 terms are given. If similarly, if you continue the 10th term, how to find what will be the 10th term? We have to find out from the formula. N is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. After that, write the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn or An, both are same children. Tn is equal to or An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute these values in this formula. Where Tn is, we are finding T, where n is 10. Wherever n is there, substitute n is equal to 10. T10 is equal to A. A means what? 2 plus n minus, n is what? 10. 10 minus 1 into D, common difference, into 5. N minus 1 into D, you have to multiply this one. The T10 is equal to 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 5. That is equal to 2 plus 9 5 is 45. So 45 plus 2 is 47. T10 is 47. T10 or A10 is 47. This is the 10th term of one given arithmetic progression. See here in the exercise 1.2, one table is given. Fill in the blanks. And where A, N, D and An are given blank, few are given blank and few are the values are given. Which one is blank, that we have to find out. For all this we have to use the same formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Let us see one by one. See, out of 5 sums here, I am going to do 2 only. Remaining 3 are homework I have mentioned here. First one is homework, just like a worked example what I have done just now, like that. Just use the formula directly and find the An value. And also here the last one also same thing like that. A is given, D is given, N is given, and An you have to find out these 2 homework. And third one also homework. You have to do it based on these 2. I will do now the second one. What is given? How you have to write this table in the classwork, and then below that you write like this. For example, first one you do it, write the first one. A equals 7, D equals 3, N equals 8 and An is question mark. Write the formula and do it, first one. Okay, second one now I will do it. For all that you do like that only. Write the given values here. below the table, write the table first, and below the table do the steps and write that, post that values into the blank. See the first one, a is equal to minus 18. Then I am doing second one. Next, d is question mark, that is blank or question mark. Next, n is equal to 10, n is equal to 10, and an is equal to minus 5. I am doing the second one. How to do this? Formula is same. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the given values. Which is not given, leave it as a blank or write the same term. What is an here? An is minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to a minus 18 plus n value, we know n is equal to 10 minus 1 into d. D is question mark, write d as. So minus 5 is equal to, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Left hand side only one term is there. Just first simplify at the right hand side. Minus 18 plus, multiply this, 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into d, 9d. Minus 5 is equal to minus 18 plus 9d. Don't add these two numbers. This is a integer and this is 9d is not an arithmetic term. D is there, the d is a variable, we are finding its value. Don't add these two. Don't add 18 plus 99 is 27d. Don't write that, that is wrong. Look at the left hand side minus 5 is there and the right hand side minus 18. These two are the numbers. How to group this? How to group this one? Just transfer this minus 18 to this side. So what will become? Minus 5. When you transfer any terms from left hand side to right hand side to left hand side, the sign will be changed. When you transfer minus 18 to left hand side, then minus 18 become plus 18. Minus 5 will be same as it is, plus 18 is equal to 90. Minus 5 plus 18, what it is? Minus 5 plus 18, one is minus, one is plus. What you should do? Opposite means subtract. If you subtract this one, what will you get? You will get 13. What 13? 13 plus 13, minus 5 plus 8, 18, 13. 13 is equal to minus 90. We want to find out d value. Minus 90 is equal to 13. Both are equal. When 13 is equal to minus 90, you can write it as a minus 90 is equal to 13. Why we have to write like this? Because d we want to find out. Which one we want to find out? Let it be at the left hand side. D is equal to 13 by minus 9. So this is nothing but equal to d is equal to 13 minus 13 by 9 is the answer. So this is how to find the value of d from the given values. This is second one. Now I am going to show the fourth one. What is a value? Fourth one, a value is minus 18.9. D is given 2.5. D is 2.5. N is blank. Now here n is blank and then an is equal to 3.6. an is equal to 3.6. So in this, write the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Formula is same. You have to find out the required term from the formula. So an is minus 18.9. Substitute the values. Is equal to a. What is a value? Sorry, not minus. An is not 18.9. An is 3.6. 3.6 is equal to a minus 18.9 plus n is we don't know, n we are finding it, right, as n minus 1 into d. D is 1 into 2.5. Now 3.6, only one term is at the left hand side, right? It is 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9 plus, multiply these two, 2.5 into n, 2.5 n minus plus into minus minus 2.5. Okay, now what we have to do it, left hand side is only one term is there. Look at this, minus 18.9 and 2.5, these two are the terms and both are decimal numbers. What we have to do it, 3.6 is equal to, both are minus 18.9 minus 2.5, add these two, minus 18.9 minus 2.5. Why we have to add, children? Because both are having same sign. So 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 1, 11. 21.4. 9 plus 5, 14. Add decimal number, decimal part to decimal part. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Take 1, carry 1 plus 1, 2. 21.4. What 21.4? Minus 21.4. 3.6 is equal to minus 21.4 plus 2.5 n. Now look at again. Left hand side 3.6 is there. Right hand side minus 21.4 is there. Don't add these two numbers because this is arithmetic number. This is algebraic. Why we call this as an algebraic term? Because variable n is there here. We don't know n value. Therefore, you cannot add these two. Which two you can add? You can add or transfer the terms. You add or subtract according to convention, sign convention. 3.6 and 21.4 are these two are the numbers. Transfer 21.4 to left hand side. So 3.6. When you transfer minus 21.4 to left hand side, become plus 21.4 is equal to 2.5 n. Now again, what you have to do it? Both are same sign. You have to add 3.6, 21.4. 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 1, 25. 25. 25.0 and 25 both are same. 25 is equal to 2.5 n. So now again we will write it. 2.5 n is equal to 25. So what we want to find out? We want to find out the n value. So n is equal to 25 by 2.5. How to simplify this one, children? How to divide this one? You know, one is a numerator, integer is there, in the denominator fraction is there. How to simplify this one? Here after decimal point one place is there, so you can eliminate that decimal number by adding one zero to both numerator and denominator. Just add one zero to numerator, 250. It becomes 250 by 25. How many times it will divide? It divide 10 times. N is equal to 10 is the answer. So this is how you have to find out these two problems, first one and seventh one, using the same formula. Thank you, children. Children, the exercise 1.2 first main, I gave one homework, that is fill in the blanks type of table type of question. And now in the exercise, same exercise 1.2 second main, two multiple choice questions are given about the same formula. What is the formula? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. About the same formula, two multiple choice are given. This type of questions will be given in the examination in the form of multiple choice, and it is important also. Multiple choice questions, MCQ questions are there, so that you have to do it by solving this, find the answer by using that formula to find out. Exercise 1.2 fill in the blanks type, first question is like that only this, but you have to write the steps at the right side, find that values and then tick the right answer here. What is the question? The 30th term of the AP is given 7, 10, 4 dash 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 is dash, they are given. 4 options are given, 97, B is equal to 77, option C minus 77, option D minus 87. You have to find out which is the right answer by using the formula. Use this formula and substitute take A value from this, n value, n is 30, and common difference find out from this, and use the formula and find out the 30th term using the same formula, and correct answer write it. If suppose if the B is the answer, write B and then write that answer. B is equal to 77, right, like this. Okay, but this I don't know, this is not the, this is the right answer, but you have to find out and do it. Now in the second one, same type, 11th term of AP is minus 3 minus 1 by 2 dash 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 is dash. Find the answer using the same formula, again same procedure. A you have to take from the AP, common difference you have to find out from the AP, and the 11, that means n is equal to 11. Find write the steps at the right side and find out the correct answer, and write that correct answers here. Thank you, children.